For me personally, it has been such a personal experience. Fed Uni feels like family, and being an international student, you kind of want to feel at home somewhere. So at this stage of life for the past 2 years, this has felt home. So you live somewhere, but you come to uni, you come to campus, and then you feel at home.
Due to coronavirus, everyone used to go to offices and everyone goes to universities. Due to corona, everyone got to know about different applications, different tools to use to communicate.
The most valuable thing is like gaining experience on the mobile application side. I have learned how to use the technical tools in order to build the overall feasible study throughout our project, which helps me to grow in industry as well, to interact with the clients and making decisions. That helped me a lot.
Doing the real Capstone project really helped us to make us ready for the industry. Likewise, we have got an opportunity to work with the founder, work with different tools, understanding different frameworks within IT and non-IT and the businesses. So it really gives an opportunity to put ourselves ready for the industry.
After doing the master project, we got a lot of different ideas, a lot of different practical knowledge. Practical knowledge is more better than theoretical knowledge. Like if you have any experience, then it's really easy. Whenever you finish your graduation, then you can directly apply for the industry. And like first, for the major thing is that like after doing a lot of presentation and all things, you get very confident.
Biggest takeaway for me from this project is definitely I have a few experiences, but this is completely a brand new experience, understanding how we can build an application for the mobile platform. So we've gone through different frameworks, understanding like which is the best suitable platform to build an MVP for our founder. So I think from this project I gained all the knowledge which I wanted, and then I'm ready for now as becoming an IT expert